Hi there, and welcome to another video from leanEdit. Today we're going to talk about how to create a project. Previous tutorials I talked about uploading a single video and uploading multiple videos and merging them. Now you're going to take those videos that are currently situated in your vault area and you're going to click on the video that you want to start work on. Once you click on it, the software then takes you to what we call the tool selection screen. And in the tool selection screen, you can start typing in the name of your project. You can type in the product, whatever that may be, whatever work you're in or whatever work you're studying. And you've got three different tools you can work on. You've got the process flow analysis, labor analysis, and setup reduction. Now you'll notice as I change these radio buttons over here, you'll see these categories changing on the right here. Also, when I mouse over these, it'll tell you exactly what the definition is of each. So if I go to labor analysis, there you can see changes. If I go to process flow analysis, changes again. Also down here for process flow analysis and for labor analysis, you got the option to make them administrative or manufacturing. So when you click on administrative, what it does is changes the verbiage and some of the categories to cater for more of an administrative office type environment. So here you go, process flow analysis again. Labor analysis has got three different sub elements to it. You can select the operator immediately. Let's say you're studying one operator in particular. You can select that number, and that can be anything from 1 through 12. If you've got a video where you've got multiple operators in, then you can hit select later and it allows you to pick the operator each time you cut a clip and each time you do some analysis. And also there's a multi-cycle, which I'll cover in a later video, where you can do multi-cycle analysis also using this tool. So what we'll do is we'll go into labor analysis, we'll select a current operator, let's say operator number 4. Now when we come to the right here, you'll notice these different categories. Again, I'm in the administrative mode here. What I can do now is, if I so choose, is I can add a new category. So this allows you to customize the categories. These are the standard ones, but you can add your own. You can add your own abbreviation. You can add your own category description. And of course, you can add your own definition and the color of your icon. By selecting that, you'll go to the different palettes, so you can select that. Now once you have added a category, it'll stay here at the bottom. You don't have to select it every time, but it will be there should you desire to do so. Final thing I'm going to do on this screen is I'm going to hit decide whether I'm going to take all the categories or just some of them. Like you can do this. And then once I'm done and finished, I'm going to go to the bottom here where the done button is, and I'm going to hit done. And now this is going to take me into the what we call the editing screen. You'll see it over here, editing screen, where we're going to start work on our project. And I'll go into this in more detail in another video tutorial. Hope that was useful, and tune in again for the next session. Thanks.